Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup of 5 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that are perfect for any diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, these recipes are sure to impress. So grab your blender and let's get started. Our first recipe is the Tropical Paradise Smoothie, a refreshing blend of tropical fruits that will transport you to a beachside getaway. Packed with vitamins, minerals. To make the Tropical Paradise Smoothie, you will need the following ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of mango chunks, 1/2 cup of coconut water, a handful of spinach, ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, pour it into a glass and garnish it with a pineapple slice or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. A taste of this tropical delight will have you longing for those sunny beaches. Next up is our Berry Boost Smoothie, a vibrant and antioxidant-rich blend of mixed berries that will give your immune system a much-needed boost. This recipe is perfect for those looking to support their well-being. To make the Berry Boost Smoothie, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, pour it into a glass and top it with a few fresh berries. With its vibrant colors and refreshing taste, this smoothie will keep you coming back for more. Now it's time for our Green Goddess Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend that will make your taste buds dance while nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. This recipe is perfect for those aiming to improve digestion and promote a healthy weight. To make the Green Goddess Smoothie, gather the following ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 cucumber, 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of kale, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of coconut water, ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until creamy, pour it into a glass, and if you like, garnish it with a lemon wedge or a few spinach leaves. This vibrant and nutritious smoothie will leave you feeling like a true green goddess. For all the fitness enthusiasts out there, we've got the Protein Power Smoothie, a muscle-building blend that will fuel your workouts and aid in muscle recovery. This recipe is perfect for those looking to gain muscle or support an active lifestyle. To make the Protein Power Smoothie, gather these high-protein ingredients: 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until creamy, pour it into a glass, and for an extra protein boost, sprinkle some chia seeds on top. This smoothie will provide the necessary fuel to achieve your fitness goals. Last but not least, we have the Chocolicious Smoothie, a guilt-free treat that satisfies your chocolate cravings while providing essential nutrients. This recipe is perfect for those seeking a healthier alternative to traditional dessert. To make the Chocolicious Smoothie, gather these chocolatey ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, ice cubes. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, pour it into a glass, and if you're feeling extra indulgent, grate some dark chocolate on top. This smoothie will satisfy your chocolate cravings while nourishing your body. And there you have it, 5 delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes that are perfect for any diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply improve your overall well-being, these smoothies will provide you with essential nutrients while satisfying your taste buds. Which one will you try first? Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.